The single biggest scaling lever in this business is launching multiple avatars. Same operator, same systems, multiple brands, each one earning independently. Once your first avatar is producing predictable revenue and running on automation, the next avatar takes 30 to 50% less time to build because you've already solved the hard problems. One niche versus many niches. Multiple avatars in one niche. Different sub-niches under one umbrella, e.g., fitness for women, fitness for men over 40, fitness for postpartum. Pros: shared research, cross-promotion, faster product development. Cons: cannibalization risk if too similar, audience overlap. Multiple avatars across different niches. Diversified portfolio: one fitness, one finance, one faith, etc. Pros: niche risk diversification, broader market exposure. Cons: harder to specialize, no cross-pollination of audience. Key point: recommendation for most operators: launch your second avatar as a sub-niche of your first. The shared research, similar tools, and adjacent audience let you scale faster. Diversify across totally different niches only after your first 2-3 avatars are profitable. The 3-avatar portfolio model. A common scaling pattern after 12 months. Avatar 1. Your main brand, your largest audience, strongest revenue, 60% of income. Avatar 2. Sub-niche or adjacent niche, 25% of income. Avatar 3. Experimental, testing a new niche or content style, 15% of income. If Avatar 3 starts working, it gets graduated to a primary brand. If it fails, you kill it and try a different direction. Team scaling. You can run 1 to 2 avatars solo. Beyond that, you need help. Scriptwriter/content VA, $5,000 to $25,000 SHAR. Drafts scripts using your prompt templates. Editor/production VA, $10 or $30 SHAR. Handles HeyGen rendering, captions, scheduling community manager, $10 or $20 SHAR. Replies to comments and DMs across all avatars. Strategist, brand manager, $25 or $60 SHAR. Runs campaigns, analyzes performance, plans launches. Most successful operators hire in this exact order. The first hire, Script VA, usually pays for itself within 2 months. Managing an avatar portfolio. Tools that scale with multiple brands, Notion or Airtable. One workspace per avatar, shared dashboard for portfolio metrics. Single email service with multiple lists. One ConvertKit Beehive account. Separate audiences. Single scheduler with multiple workspaces. Buffer, Metricool, and Publer. Support this shared image, asset library. Google Drive folders, organized by Avatar Pro. Tip: don't open separate accounts for everything. One Notion, one ConvertKit, one Buffer, one Google Drive, segmented by avatar. The operational overhead of separate ecosystems will eat your time and your wallet. Localization and multiple languages. One of the biggest unfair advantages of AI avatars: language scaling. The same avatar can run in English, primary, Spanish, huge audience, less competition, Portuguese, Brazil specifically, massive AI content market, French, German, Italian, European markets, Hindi, Mandarin, largest emerging markets. HeyGen supports this natively. Same avatar, different language voiceovers, with lip sync that matches each language. 11 Labs voice clones can be generated in 30+ languages from the same source voice. Example: Maya. The marketing avatar runs in 4 languages. The English account has 50K followers. The Spanish account has 30K. The Portuguese has 25K. The French has 15K. Total, 120K followers from one avatar build. Same scripts, translated, same products, with localized landing pages. The multi-avatar risk warning. Don't launch Avatar 2, 3, and 4 simultaneously. The temptation is huge. The reality is, you'll do all 4 badly, and none will reach escape velocity. Sequential launches. Get $1,000 to $1,000 MO before starting the next. Action step. Don't take action on this lesson yet. file it away. Once your first avatar hits 90 days of consistent posting and your first $500 in revenue, come back and pick avatar number 2. Until then, focus on avatar number 1.